Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I will guide you through the simple process of changing your email address in the Roblox app on your Android phone. This tutorial will help you update your email quickly and securely, so let's get started. First, open the Roblox app on your Android device. Next, look at the bottom right corner and tap on the More option. Then, from the menu that appears, select Settings. After that, choose Account Info from the list of available options. Now click on Email Address. Here, enter your new email address carefully. Following this, tap on Change Email. Roblox will then send a verification code to your new email. Once you receive the code, copy it and enter it into the app. Finally, tap on Verify to confirm the change. To complete the process, make sure to check your new email inbox and click on the verification link sent by Roblox. This ensures your email is fully updated. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.